Hi, I'm doing Paul McWhorter's Pico W lessons and I'm up to lesson 121. Now, Paul wanted us to take the previous program and expand on it slightly so that when you read a card, it will then position the servo to where it wants to be for that card, if you know what I mean. And then if you scan another card, then it will move the position. So I managed to do this pretty easily because of the way I'd written my program before. All I've done is I've used the dictionary file. So as opposed to saving, when we were doing save servo positions, as opposed to having a, where is it, ah yes, that's the servo position file, and instead of just having the servo position, I've got a dictionary, and if that file doesn't exist, I just create an empty dictionary. And I will just show you what this file looks like. There, it's just the card ID and then the angle, card ID, angle, card ID, angle for every card that I've actually moved. So, so that is exactly the same. All my program is incredibly similar to the last one. I'll leave a link in the description to my last one. So I'm not actually doing much at all when I read a card. Now, as opposed to Paul, you don't have to wait for your 5 seconds to be able to read another card. You can just override the previous card. So I read the card and then I'm seeing if it's authorized. If it isn't authorized, I don't do anything. But otherwise, I'm looking up in my dictionary for the position of the servo for that card, which is that. And if it isn't found, I just set it to position 0. Then I'm moving the servo to that position. Oh no, I wasn't doing that before. In this one, I'm moving the servo to that position, and then I'm just saying unlock by card. And then the only other change is in save position. In save position, I was just saving the G servo pos to the servo pos file. This time I'm saving it to the dictionary, so that if there wasn't already an entry for that card ID there, it creates a new one, or it updates it, which is exactly what you want to do. Then I'm just saving the servo dict file. So we will just run this. Right, red light on, can't do anything because you don't have a card. Right, so we will take a card and it says authorized card. Oh, I held it in front too long. Right, place it to unlock, and it moved it to the right position. So if I unlock that again, I can move it, and then that will still be in the same position. So that's that card. Now I will try another card. You're not authorized. Ah, this one says Peter doesn't like servos, so it doesn't have the word authorized, so it doesn't do anything. No, does not do anything. Next one. Right. Unlocked by 227DDDE3, and it's gone to position 0, and that's because I haven't used this card before. As you can tell by looking at the dictionary is slightly out of date now because I've updated it, but there's no entry there, and it doesn't add, unless you move it with the buttons, it doesn't add an entry to the dictionary, because I thought, what's the point? Then we have another one. What's this one? Right, Charlotte is authorised, and it moved it right round there. I do that, then I'll try again with another card. And again, you didn't have to wait for it to go green before you did it, but you can do that, you can do that, that, and well, that's about it really.